Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DStv decoder blinking and not responding to remote. Reset and pairing fix. Fix 1. Perform a hard power cycle. Turn off the DStv decoder, then unplug the power cable. Wait for 1 minute, plug the power cable back in. Turn on the decoder and check if it works. Second one is check the remote batteries. Remove the old batteries from the remote, then insert new batteries, making sure the plus and minus ends are correct. Point the remote at the decoder and test it. Third one is remove anything blocking the signal. Make sure nothing is blocking the front of the decoder. Then clean the decoder's IR sensor with a soft cloth. Stand with a few meters and dry the remote again. Fourth one is pair the remote again. Remove the batteries from the remote, then wait for 30 seconds and put the batteries back in. Unplug the DStv decoder and wait for 30 seconds. Plug the decoder back in. Point the remote at the decoder. Then press and hold the exit button while the decoder is starting. When the decoder light stops blinking, release the exit button. Thanks for watching.